Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Question: if y equal to tan inverse of 4 sin 2x divided by cos 2x minus 6 sin square x, find first derivative at x equal to 0. So before finding the derivative, it is better to get the simplest form. How? 4 into sin 2x means it is 2 sin x cos x, okay, divided by cos 2x. Actually, in adjacent term, sin square is there. That's why we are using cos square minus sin square formula. Actually, cos 2 theta is equal to 3 formulae are there. Namely, cos square theta minus sin square theta, 1 minus 2 sin square theta, or 2 cos square minus 1. But outside the tan inverse is there. This is an operator. That's why we are using this rather than these two. Understand? Okay. Why? Later I will explain. So cos 2x means it is cos square x minus sin square x. Already 6 sin square is there. Right? Next, that is equal to tan inverse of it is 8 sin x into cos x divided by it is cos square minus 7 sin square. Okay, so that is equal to tan inverse of, now we divide by cos square x in the numerator and denominator. Why? To obtain tan terms inside, because tan inverse of tan of x equal to x. This is the reason to apply the formula cos square x minus sin square x. So therefore it is 8 into sin x into cos x divided by cos square x whole divided by, it is cos square by cos square 1 minus 7 into sin square divided by cos square. So that is equal to tan inverse of 1 cos cancel, 8 into sin by cos tan. So 8 tan x divided by 1 minus 7 tan square x. Okay, so 1 minus something is there, means we have to get the form tan of a plus b, because tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. 1 minus tan a tan b, just like that. So I am trying to write in that form. It is 1 minus tan a tan b, means first 8 tan x can be written as 7 tan x, 7 tan x, 7 tan x, 7 tan x plus another tan x, right, minus this 7 tan square can be 7 tan x into tan x, just like that. Okay, now it is in the form of tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Actually, you come here, tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy can be simply tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. So that is equal to tan inverse of x means this one 7 tan x plus this is tan inverse of tan x. So therefore it is tan inverse of 7 tan x plus tan inverse of tan x is x, just like that. So therefore y is equal to tan inverse of 7 tan x plus x. Now y dash equal to, actually divide x of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square, divide x of tan inverse of f of x equal to 1 by 1 plus f of x whole square into f dash of x. So using that 1 by 1 plus f of x whole square means 49. It is tan square x f of x whole square into f dash of x. F dash means 7 into divide x of tan x, secant square x over next plus divide x of x 1. So this is y dash. What is the question? Y dash at x equal to 0. So therefore y dash at x equal to 0. Here put x equal to 0. Then it will become 0. So 1 by 1 plus 0, 1. So 7 into secant square 0 means 1. So 7 into 1 plus 1, that is equal to totally 8. Its answer is 8. Hence the problem. Y equal to tan inverse of log of e by x square whole divided by log e x square. So it is in the form of log of m by n, log of m into n. Right. Okay. So first we simplify y, later we shall find first and second derivative. Actually it is log e, log m minus log n divided by log of m into n, log e plus logarithm of x square. Okay, next. Actually, it is to be understood that base e. So, base e. Log e base e, it is 1. Log e base e, it is 1. Next, logarithm of x power m is equal to m into log x. So therefore it is 1 plus 2 log x. So next term, tan inverse of 3 plus 2 log x divided by 1 minus this 6 log x can be 3 into 2 log x. Okay, so that is equal to actually tan inverse of x minus y divided by 1 plus x into y can be simply tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. Later tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy, that is equal to tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So therefore it is in the form of tan inverse of x minus y divided by 1 plus x into y. Means this can be written as plus 1 into, just like that. So therefore clearly it is tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of 2 log x. Later this one, it is tan inverse of 3 plus tan inverse of 2 log x, so that is equal to this tan inverse of 2 log x plus or minus cancel. So therefore y equal to tan inverse of 1 means it is pi by 4. Next, plus tan inverse of 3. Actually here also we need not write pi by 4 because it is pure constant. It is also a pure constant. There is no x. Therefore y dash equal to 0, and similarly y double dash is also 0 because it is the pure constant. It is pure constant. Hence the problem. Y equal to modulus of cos x plus modulus of sin x. Then dy by dx at x equal to 2 pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60 into 2, 120. 120 means it is belongs to second quadrant. Therefore x that is belongs to second quadrant in which cos x is negative. All silver teacups. Understand? According to that quadrants, cos x is negative. So therefore modulus of cos x can be minus cos x. And similarly in this quadrant sin x is positive. Therefore modulus of sin x equal to plus sin x, because x is in second quadrant. So therefore y equal to minus cos x plus sin x. Now y dash equal to minus d by dx of cos x minus sin x plus d by dx of sin x cos x. So that is equal to sin x plus cos x. So therefore y dash at x equal to 2 pi by 3. So that is equal to sin of 2 pi by 3 plus cos of 2 pi by 3. So that is equal to sin of 2 pi by 3. Sin of means pi minus, it is pi by 3. So second quadrant, it is plus sin pi by 3. Sin pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60. 60 means sin 60 root 3 by 2. So similarly, cos of 2 pi by 3 equal to, it is pi minus pi by 3. In second quadrant, cos negative minus same cos 60. Cos 60 equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. So therefore it is root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. That is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2. Hence the problem. Next question. If y equal to cos inverse of sin of root of 1 plus x whole by 2 plus x to the power of x. Remember, it is a formula. Remember as a formula, d by dx of x to the power of x equal to x to the power of x into 1 plus log x. We have to remember as a formula. Understand? Right. Its proof is already I said in board classes. Okay. One easy method is there. Cos, what I am telling that, sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x equal to pi by 2. Right? Then cos inverse of x equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. So therefore, it is better to simplify the given function. Cos inverse of something capital X equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse of, this is something sin of. Did you catch my point? Because you can ask me, sir, what is the need of going through this approach? Okay, already inside the sign is there. That's why I am choosing this formula, sin inverse of, because in the next step, sin inverse of sin x, simply x. Understand? What we did know, sin inverse of sin x, that is equal to capital X or theta. Sin inverse of sin theta is equal to theta. Of course, x belongs to closed interval of minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2. It is to be understood. Right. So that is equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse of sin capital X. Okay. Next term is x to the power of x. Right. It is nothing but minus whole root of 1 plus x whole divided by 2. Later plus x to the power of x. Okay. It is nothing but 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 quotient root of 1 plus x. So therefore y dash equal to derivative. It is the pure constant. There is no x. Therefore its derivative 0. D by dx of constant 0 minus 1 by root 2 into d by dx of root of 1 plus x. D by dx of root of f of x 1 by 2. First I will write the formula. D by dx of root of f of x equal to 1 by 2 root of f of x into f dash of x, like that. Okay, I will write there itself. So 1 divided by 2 into root of 1 plus x into d by dx of 1, 0. D by dx of x 1, 0 plus 1, 1, root 1 itself. So its derivative already I said. You please by heart this formula. X power x into 1 plus log x, like that. So now the question is y dash at x equal to 1. You need not to simplify here because we are putting x equal to 1. It is easy number. So minus 1 divided by 2 root 2, it is 2 root 2 into x is 0, x equal to 1. 1 plus 1, 2 root 2, it is root 2 plus x equal to 1. 1 to the power of 1, 1 into log 1, 0, 1 plus 0, 1 into 1, just like that. So that is equal to minus 1 by 2 into root 2 into root 2, 2, next plus 1 1 ja 1. So that is equal to minus 1 by 4 plus 1, that is equal to simply 3 by 4. Answer is 3 by 4, that is equal to 3 by 4. Hence the problem. F of theta is equal to, given as a sine of tan inverse of sine theta by root of cos 2 theta. Okay, first we simplify f of theta. F of theta is equal to, okay, sine of 1 minute. Let it be all something alpha. Means what? Rough work. Tan inverse of sine divided by root of cos 2 theta, that is equal to something alpha. So therefore tan alpha is equal to sine theta divided by root of cos 2 theta, means we can express like that, cos square theta minus sine square theta. Later from the denominator we can take common cos square, then it will become numerator same, divided by, it is cos theta into root of 1 minus sine square by, I will write directly, sine square by cos square means tan square theta. So that is equal to tan theta divided by root of 1 minus tan square theta. This is tan alpha. Okay, let us take alpha right angle triangle. Then actually it is opposite side divided by adjacent side. Opposite side is tan theta. Next adjacent side is root of 1 minus tan square theta. By the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse means root of opposite whole square plus adjacent whole square. Whole square root cancel. It remains 1 minus tan square. Anyhow, tan square get cancelled. So that is equal to 1. So therefore, what we let, this is alpha. This is sine alpha. So what is sine alpha from this? Sine alpha is, tell me, opposite divided by hypotenuse means 1. So therefore, simply f of theta is equal to tan theta. Next, what is the question? Question is equal to d by d theta of f of theta. So question is equal to d by d of tan theta. What is f of theta? Again tan theta. What is its value? Come on, find it. It is just as d by dx of x. D by dx of x is what? 1. So simply answer is 1. Hence the problem. F of x equal to modulus of cos x minus sin x. Then f dash of pi by 4. Observe sin x graph and cos x graph. Actually, this is x axis, y axis, origin. Next, this is the maximum value 1, minimum value minus 1, this is 1, this is minus 1. Okay. Sin x graph will be like that. This is at pi by 2, sin pi by 2, 1. Next, cos x graph. Cos x graph means cos 0, 1, it will be like that. Okay, let it be. Next, this is the first point of intersection. So, it is at pi by 4. This is pi by 4. This one is pi by 2. you come here. Cos means black curve. This is the red sine. This is the sine. This one is black means cos. This is cos x. Next, this one is sin x. So clearly we see that in open interval of 0 to pi by 4, 0 to pi by 4, cos x is greater than this is sin x. Understand? Means in this area sin x occupied are bounded with a minimum area. This is the least area. This one is greatest area. So this blacken means this area is greater than that red area. Understand? Black area is greater than red area. That's why we can say that cos x is greater than sin x in this area. Next, in open interval of pi by 4 comma pi by 2, cos x is less than sin x. So this is higher. This is a higher area. It is in higher. Understand? This is lower curve. This is higher curve. This is lower curve in this area. But in this area, this is higher curve. This is lower curve than that. Okay? So clearly, in this interval it is cos greater than sin. In this interval, cos is less than sin. Like that. Okay, you come here. So therefore, in means cos x is greater than sin x. That is, cos x minus sin x is positive for all x belongs to open interval of 0 to pi by 4, or we can write less than pi by 4, or x is less than pi by 4, Next, so therefore, what is its modulus of cos x minus sin x is simple, plus cos x minus sin x, comma, x is less than pi by 4. Similarly, cos x is less than sin x. That is, cos x minus sin x is less than 0 for all x is just greater than pi by 4. Greater than pi by 4. Therefore, modulus of cos x minus sin x equal to minus negative cos x minus sin x, comma, x is just greater than pi by 4. So therefore, f of x is equal to plus cos x minus sin x, comma, x is 0 to pi by 4. Next, another case, pi by 4 to pi by 2, it is minus cos x minus sin x. Okay, where is the breaking point? Actually, it is pi by 4. Understand, less than pi by 4. This area, it is defined as cos x minus sin x. Next, greater than pi by 4, it is minus of cos x minus sin x. So therefore, what is the question? F dash. First, we shall find f dash. F dash of x is equal to plus derivative minus sin x. It is the shortcut. We need not to apply left hand derivative formula, right hand derivative formula. It is the shortcut. Piecewise means interval wise, you can differentiate like that directly. Next, minus cos x, comma, x is less than pi by 4. That is equal minus divided x of cos x minus sin x minus cos x comma x is greater than pi by 4. So therefore f dash of pi by 4 minus means left hand derivative, minus means this area. So it is plus minus sine pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4, right? Next, f dash of pi by 4 plus means this area, plus means greater than, minus sine pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4. So clearly it is a left hand derivative. LHD is not equal to RHD, therefore does not exist. Both option is right, hence the problem. Given that f of x is a differentiable function of x and condition is it is given like that, and f of 2 is equal to 5. Understand? Okay. First, let this x into y equal to 1. Means what? Y is equal to 1 by x. Right. So therefore, given equation or condition, f of x into f of y means 1 by x, that is equal to f of x plus f of y means what? 1 by x. Next, plus f of x into y is equal to 1, f of 1 minus 2. Okay, let it be Roman number 1. Keep it up. Next, next we have to find f of 1 value. Understand? So for which put x value 1 and y value 1 for finding f of 1 value in the given equation. Then it becomes f of 1 into f of 1 is equal to f of 1 plus f of 1 plus f of x1 to y1 1 minus 2. So that implies it is nothing but f square of 1 x into x square, just like that, is equal to 3 into it is f of 1 minus 2. So that implies f square of 1 minus 3 into f of 1 plus 2, that is equal to 0. It is just as x square minus 3x plus 2, just like that. So clearly we see that capital X equal to 2. Simple solution. 2 square 4, 6. 6 minus 6, proper 0. So therefore clearly we see that it is f of 1 is equal to 2. Put in the box. So therefore Roman number 1 equation says as f of x into f of 1 by x, that equal to f of x plus f of 1 by x. Next, f of 1 how much? 2. 2 minus 2, 0. So therefore equation 1 becomes like that. And already I said that in this case f of x can be taken as x to the power of n plus 1. It is the standard result. This is the form, this is the function. Means f of x into f of 1 by x. X reciprocal 1 by x. F of x into f of 1 by x. F of x plus f of 1 by x. It is the product, it is the sum. In this case, assume that f of x equal to x to the power of n plus 1. To obtain this form, we took xy is equal to 1 or simply y equal to 1 by x. This is the reason for assumption. Understand? Right. So therefore the given value, but f of 2 equal to 5. So therefore put x equal to, put x equal to f of 2 means 2. So therefore f of 2 that is equal to 2 power n plus 1. So that implies f of 2 is what? 5. So 5 is equal to 2 power n plus 1. So that implies 5 minus 1 that is equal to power n. So therefore 2 power n is equal to 4. So that implies clearly n is equal to 2. Clearly n equal to 2. Then what is the question? F of 3. So therefore f of x, clearly x to the power of n means 2 plus 1, and f of 3 that is equal 3 square plus 1 that is equal 9 plus 1 that is equal to 10 answer. Hence the problem.